Step into the 2016 Toyota Camry XSE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, MP3 decoder, radio, in-tune audio plus, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, rear window defroster, power driver seat, power steering, power windows and remote keyless entry. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.